SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on Lenovo IdeaPad 330 laptop. Thank you, Sir Gelton, for trusting PETIT Solutions. Upgrading to an SSD is a very good move, especially when done by a professional repair shop. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs, leading to quicker boot times, faster application loading, and overall improved system responsiveness. They're more reliable due to having no moving parts, which reduces the risk of mechanical failure. Additionally, SSDs consume less power, benefiting battery life in laptops, and operates silently compared to noisy HDD. Deep cleaning a laptop is a good move, especially if it's running hot or has accumulated a lot of dust. If you're comfortable with disassembling and reassembling your laptop, you might opt to do it yourself to save money. However, if you're not experienced or want to avoid potential risks, going to a professional repair shop is a better choice. Professionals have the right tools and expertise to clean your laptop safely and efficiently, and they can also identify and address other potential issues. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.